Hey everybody, welcome back. And today I'm going to introduce you to a new series I'm going to be working on. And it's about building kitchen cabinets. This could relate into bathroom vanities and other things, but primarily going to focus on the kitchen cabinets and the different softwares that are available out there to build that. And some of them are, there's some free versions out there. There is some one-time purchases. There's subscriptions out there. There is some that are based out of SketchUp. There's some that are based out of Vcrave. There are some that are standalone. There is so many different options out there that when I started looking into this, trying to find a software that worked for me, I end up going through a fair amount of time kind of looking at what cabinet software would work for my workflow for the way I think. And I think that's the key on some of these softwares is I am not a fan of SketchUp. I know some people love SketchUp, and there's a lot of great extensions for SketchUp. I have struggled with SketchUp since its conception and just never been able to kind of make it work the way I want. And that's just me. Now, your mileage will vary. So I have found some softwares, and I'm going to go through some of them. The first one we're going to do is I'm going to build some kitchen cabinets out of Vcrave with no extension or with no gadgets, no other outside software, and I am going to walk through step by step how to build cabinet sides and for lowers and then uppers and then all of the parts that go with that. And kind of so you could follow along and be able to do that yourself. If you don't want to do that, I think I'll probably look for some links down the road that I will probably make these files available for sale on my website. There'll be links down in the description when they get posted. But over the next few weeks, there will be a lot of different softwares. So we've got Vetric. We're going to go through the Easy Cabinet Maker in Vetric, which is a gadget. It's an add-on. We're going to go through Cabinet Planner, CabinetPartsPro. We're going to go through Mozaic, which is kind of what I use for a lot of my stuff. Pretty costly to do that. And yes and no. I will, as we get down the road, I'll explain that more, and I'll go into the different costs as of each one as we go along. But for this first one, we're just going to use Vetric. First one will be just doing the sides of the lower cabinets and kind of the process I would use to build them. And then there will be, I believe it's going to be two or three, depending on the length of videos. Some of these videos are going to be long. I will just warn you up front. But they're more to go through kind of a step-by-step so you could follow along with these and build them yourself is my goal. So some of it, like I said, they might be long for some people, and that's fine. Anyway, if there's other softwares that you're interested in that I haven't mentioned, I'll see what I can do. A lot of these, some of them have trials. Some of them you have to outright purchase them. I'm not going to spend thousands of dollars to test a piece of software that I'm not going to use. But I'll try to look into other softwares if there's ones that I haven't mentioned. So, having said that, I'm kind of excited about this new thing with the website or with my channel to try to look at different stuff and what I've gone through in the process. And maybe in someday we'll actually be cutting some parts back out on the Yeti with the stuff that we're doing. So, having said that, have a great one, and I hope you enjoy. If you would like to subscribe, that'd be great. I appreciate it. Then you'll be notified when the various videos come up. They will be all set up on a playlist. So, yeah, let's get into it.